Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add mods to your Aternos server. So first of all, you want to go to your browser and write down Aternos and go here. After you are here, you want to go ahead and sign up or sign into your account. After that, you will have your servers here, or you can go ahead and press create and create a new one. Choose Java Edition or Bedrock. I'm just going to choose Java for now to make sure that it is offline for now. After that, you want to press on the software right there. Now, once you are on software, you want to go ahead and choose which loader you are using, either Forge or maybe NeoForge or Fabric. So I use Fabric loader, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose Fabric. Now, from here, you need to choose the version you have. So I have the latest version, as you can see right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and download it, press on it. After this, you need to press install. Now, after you've done that, you want to press on mods right there. Now you can go ahead and search for any mod from there. And let's, for example, also choose, for example, Nature's Compass. And on Nature Compass, you want to choose the version you have. So, for example, I have this, and I need to press on this. You need to press on this green icon and just simply download it like so. Now, what you also need to do is press on this option right there, and you need to download it to your computer too. So again, you're going to press on Files. You're going to find your mod loader. So for me, it is Fabric, and you're going to choose your game version. Press on it. Once you have downloaded this, you also want to go ahead and download the Fabric or Forge, whichever mod loader you use. So I use Fabric, and I have already installed it. All you need to do is basically install it, double click on the exe file, and you will have it there. Now, once you have it here, you want to press on Installations here, Fabric loader, and then open Installations folder. On Installations folder, you will be here on .minecraft folder, and you want to press on Mods, double click on it, and you want to drag that Nature's Compass right there and add it. After this, you just press play. You want to go ahead to your Aternos server, and you want to press start. Now you want to go ahead and copy your address, server address, and open up Minecraft. Press on multiplayer, direct connection, and enter the server address, press join. Now just see if your mod is working, and that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.